Okay, right, I'm going to try and test out my little burn chamber that the idea is it will hopefully stop it coking up. Let's have a look. Quite a tight fit. Oh. Come on, get in. Okay, you're in. Okay, let's try some fireworks. About in the wind. I'm not sure if you heard any of that, but I hope you did. Hello, I apologise for my videos jumping about, but I have no idea how to edit. So what I've been trying to do, I run all of my heaters on the lowest setting, and what I have noticed, they always get coked up inside the chamber, plus all around the rest of it, and right down to the silencer. So what I'd done a while back was modify both of mine to have a perfect bend like this. So what I do is just saw down both sides, put a socket in the end, hammer it down, and that goes up onto the exhaust. Then if I want to, I can put the flexi on the other end, or like my other one, it just goes straight into another piece of metal tube. And because it's got no ridges on it, it actually stops it from blocking up. I mean, I've got one heater out there that's been running 2 whole winters on its lowest setting. It's putting out 12 on the carbon monoxide detector, so it's still running pretty clean. But what I'm trying to do here is, well, let me take it out and show you. I do plan on running all the old black muck I've got, but it has to be on the lowest setting. As you can see, this is strips of nickel, and they vary from 10, which is the very fine one here, up to the 20 mil, well, not 20 mil, 0.20. And so the idea is all that crud that accumulates inside, these will glow red hot and stop that from happening. And these sections in the middle here, as you can see, I've only tacked them at the bottom, and the idea is they keep moving around with the flow. Now, the idea, if they keep moving, how can the carbon build on it? Yeah, because it's flying around in there. I think it'll work okay for my use, because I run it very, very low. But most of you guys seem to be running it on the highest setting, and I think this principle will cause it an overheat situation and shut down. Okay, I've got more videos to add to this, so I apologise again for the editing because I haven't got a clue.